Hello, my name is Carolyn Finch, and I'm going to be talking about the recent Quantum Healing Hypnosis Technique that I recently undertook with Ruth Gravelle. It involved 2 past life regressions and asking questions of my higher self. To prepare for the treatment, Ruth asked me to actually work out what questions I wanted to ask. Now, when you've got to ask your higher self some life questions, such as, what's my purpose? Where's my business going? What am I doing with my life? What do I want to do? What do I want to do with my life? That really makes you focus. I've been having a number of opportunities come my way, and my business was expanding, and it felt as if I wasn't too sure which way to turn. I had lots of opportunities and I didn't quite know where my focus should lie. So focusing on these questions really helped me to think, why have I got my business? What do I want to achieve? Where do I want to go? What do I want to do with it? And also questions, just general life questions as well. With the past life regression, I found that there were things there, the places that I went and the things that I saw. I found it resonated with my current life, and I could see some common ground there that really helped me to have an idea of what I'm trying to achieve here. And with the questions, I found that some of the answers I didn't really want to hear. Things I knew I should be doing and I hadn't been. Answers that I knew, but again, I'd sort of put them to one side. And other things that were really interesting and a surprise and gave me some advice, which I found really helpful. All the time I was in deep relaxation, totally in control. I felt in a safe place, and Ruth is there all the time to listen to you, to say things back, to ask questions. She also asked beforehand if I wanted to do a recording, and I'm glad that I did, because afterwards there's so much to think about and you do forget things. But I have found that it's given me a lot of focus. We all have a choice, and it's been down to me. You hear things obviously from your higher self, but it's always down to you. We have our own choices. But the main thing was, it really made me reflect on where I am and what I'm doing. And now I'm finding that I'm best placed now with my business. I have actually spring cleaned my house, which was an added bonus I didn't think would be happening. But anyway, I would recommend Ruth completely, and the treatment itself. If you're feeling in transition, or you have a couple of paths too, or lots of opportunities and you don't know what to do in your life, it really does help just to have someone else to talk to as well about it, and to listen to some alternatives from a person who knows you really well. I just highly recommend it, and I really am reaping the benefits now. So thank you for listening, and good luck.